Welcome back everyone. I've made a wax steamer from a couple of old brood boxes. They're Xander brood boxes though. It was the one that's got woodworm, so I thought I'd use them and make a steamer. It's got a queen excluder between the two boxes, a little hole for the wax to come out, just tin foiled the inside so it comes to a point, and then wallpaper steamer in through an hole at the back. And yeah, it seems to be working pretty well. It's some real crap wax that I'm cleaning that I've had for donkeys. It's full of rotted junk. It stinks as well, but obviously that'll steam it and get the wax out. The top brood box is full of this, full of what was in there, so I had to put the chickens in because one of them pecked trying to catch one of the flies and put its head under the wax. Daft thing. So it's got, oh look, it's got wax on its head. I don't seem bothered, but yeah, steaming wax. Easy to make. Not as dangerous as the last way I did it.